Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page. Puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday. Saturday, February the 18th, 2023. And we have three puzzles left. The tectonic, the binary, and the Killer Sudoku. I've already solved one puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5983, I believe. Yeah, let me move this up. Okay, 5983. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 given numbers. Those given numbers are the 4 in the box of 12. That means the combination here will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 in this Killer Sudoku. We have a given number 5 in the box of 13. That means the combination here will be 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Here we have a triple box of 13. That means with a given number 5, that means that those two boxes together should be an 8. And we have the given number 7 in the box of 13. That means the combination here will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Alright, the Killer Sudoku. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Here 1. And this one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. And this one has 1, 2. Alright. So we have 2 big squares. This one and that one. Yeah. If I count all these numbers, what you need to know first is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row, here we have a row with 1 sharing box, alright, is always 45. Alright, so if I count all these numbers, I will know what number those two boxes are. So I know what number this will be. Okay. So 24 plus 5 plus 11 is here 29 plus 11 is 40. 40, that means that those two boxes together should be a 5. Yeah. 5. 45 minus 40 is 5. In the triple box of 13, that means that that box should be an 8. Well, okay, so now we have a big square with all the numbers here also. Then my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. And let me see. Do we have more here? We have a box of 17. Only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And then 9 goes there. The box of 4. Only one combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Let me scan. 24. The triple box of 24. 9 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 24. So 987. Look, we have a 9 and 8 in this column. So no 9 and 8 in this box. The 9 and 8 goes in those two boxes. So one digit left. Should be a 7 then. Okay. Here we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be a 9 anymore. This box should be an 8. That box should be a 9. Okay. Well, 8 and 9. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. A column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 8 here because those two boxes together should be an 8. Otherwise, the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. Here I cannot place the 8 because in the box of 7 otherwise the combination will be 8 minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 8 should be here definitely in this box. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 8 plus 1. Alright. 3 and a 1. We already have a 1 here in this big square. So this can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. 5. Yeah, 6. 6 and a 2. Well, in this column, we have one sharing box here. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, and we already have a 6 in this big square. So in this column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 2 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those, 2 and a 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. The 5 is already used, so it should be in the box of 8 here. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 are missing. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6, otherwise I need another 3. Double numbers are not allowed. So 3 should be in the box of 8. Combination will be 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Here need an 8. Here need an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. So the 8 should be in the box of 9. Combination will be 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then another 5. Let me. No 5. 5 should be here. Yeah. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first one. No 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. If I place the 5 in the box of 13, then the combination will be 5 plus 8. The 8 is already used in one of those 2 boxes in the box of 9. So I cannot place the 5 here. So the only place left for the 5 should be one of these 2 boxes. Okay. That means the other 2 numbers should be together 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 5 here because those 2 boxes together should be 5. So otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Same for here, the box for 5. So the only place left for the 5 should be here in the box of 11. Combination here will be 5 plus 6. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here in the box of 13. The combination will be 6 plus 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 7, 7, We have also a triple box of 24, same as there. 879, 879. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the 8 should be here. So the 9 and the 7 are left. Correction, 9 and the 7. Alright. Then. Let me see. 8 and 1, we have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Here should be 5. The 9 should be here also. Yeah, 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, of course, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed, so it should be here. 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Yeah. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 2 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Alright. Okay. Now. And now. Need a 9 here. Need a 9. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 9. Here can be 9 because it's a box of 6. Here can be 9 because it's a box of 8. Here can be 9 because it's a box of 8. Otherwise, 9 minus 1. Yeah. It's not allowed minus 1. So should be here the 9. Yeah, so here should be the 9 also. Alright. 1, 1. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 5. Well. We have here 2 missing. Yeah. These 2 missing numbers should be the 1 is missing. And 2 is missing. Yeah. The 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. The other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. So it should be the 1 and the 4 or the 2 and the 3. Same for here. Alright. And now. 7. Here can be 7. 7 should be there. 7 and 6. Yeah. 1 is missing. Here could be 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. Here can be a 1 because we have a box of 30, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be definitely there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 11. Same story as before. So the 2 should be definitely here and the 6 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7. In the box of 6, here the combination will be 1 plus 5. Alright. Then we have a 1 in one of those. Sorry, we have a 1 in this column. So here can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Then the combination in the box of 5, the combination will be 2 plus 3. Here will be the combination 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Then 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 1. Yeah, here should be the 1. 1, 9, and the 6 are missing. Well, 1, 9, and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 9. 1 box left in this row for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, 2 is missing. And the 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2, 2 and a 6. No. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 and a 5, or 3 and the 8. We already have 8 there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 3 here because we have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. I cannot place the 3 there because then the combination will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. The 8 is already used there in this big square, or here in this row. So the only place left for 3 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. Now, we have a 5 and a 9 there. So we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 5 plus 6. Now we have 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12. We already have a 2 in this row. So the 2 should be in the box of 6. Combination will be 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 here in this column, middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Final 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9, I believe, here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 17. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Wow. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. And I'm very well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary with 10 by 10 and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.